Hey players, known unique, Johnson City Trailers, Stealth Motorcycles, here with a quick intro to Arctic Leopard line of electric dirt bike motorcycles. Here on the left, starting with the EXT-500. So this is a trials design bike with a seat. They do have a trials version without a seat, but this one right here comes with a seat. It also comes with a 12 kilowatt motor. It comes standard with a 45 amp hour battery, but I have this one upgraded to a 60 amp hour battery. So this EXT-500 has a 12 kilowatt motor, 60 amp hour battery. The motor also has an option for upgrade to 16 kilowatt and 20 kilowatt. This bike also has a titanium frame upgrade. You can upgrade this frame to titanium tube. Next to this is the XE Pro S. This one comes with a 20 kilowatt motor and a 55 amp hour battery. It also has the option for a 16 kilowatt motor and a 45 amp hour battery. It has our custom street legal kit on there, so that the lights and the mirrors do not come with this bike. That's something that we sell separately. The next bike on the lineup is EX-700. There's also a model EX-800. This one has a 20 kilowatt motor and a 52 amp hour battery, but the EX-800 has a 25 kilowatt motor and a 75 amp hour battery. That if you've seen my other videos, that's the one I got camoed out. So that's the one that's the camo dirt bike, is the EX-800 with the 75 amp hour battery and 25 kilowatt motor, which I'm gonna get that. I'm gonna put a street legal kit on the EX-800 and get that street legal, and I'm gonna do some range tests and everything. I think that 75 amp hour battery is gonna take that long distances. Okay, so here we have the EXE-800, 880. I'm sorry, it does also come in 800 model. So this is the EXE-880 right here with the 37 kilowatt motor and the 75 amp hour battery. Puts out about 51 horsepower, weighs about 258 pounds. This bike has our street legal kit on it also, our custom made street legal kit for this bike. Turn signals and mirrors do not come with this bike standard. It's an aftermarket part that you'd have to get separately. So this is Arctic Leopard. They don't just slap a bigger motor on their standard entry-level bike. They have 4 different bike designs and variants in between in each design, upgrades and on your motors and batteries. Check out Arctic Leopard. It's the only company doing this. It's the only company with 4 designs for all your riding needs. Off-road trials, deep woods, very maneuverable bike. The handlebars turn almost 90 degrees. You could really get through thick woods in this bike. Right here is kind of an all-purpose enduro motocross enduro bike. I like it on the street. I love this bike on the street. We calculated the range from 40 to 60 miles. It gets an average 50 miles range. I've got 68 miles range out of this bike. If you try it, you could really push this bike. But at 50 miles range, this bike is 425 miles per gallon equivalent. Based on the 4 kilowatt hour battery and 1 gallon of gas, has 33.7 kilowatt hours of energy and 1 gallon of gas. EX electric motocross. This one, I like this one as like an all-purpose bike, really comfortable mid-size bike. My EX-800 has the 75 amp hour battery, 25 kilowatt motor. I think that's going to be exactly what I need. It's going to be perfect for me, I think, because I'm going to get it on the street and I'm going to take it everywhere I go. This one right here, super comfortable bike, nice and big. Again, I ride it on the street a lot. It does have my dirt tires on there because I just got out doing some dirt. But I'm able to ride to the track. I don't have to drive my truck and the bike there. But this bike, super nice, super dependable, has the best range I've seen on an electric bike. I really like this bike. I ride it everywhere. We're going to do a review on this one and this one coming up. I got the 1,000-mile review coming up on this one, and this one we're about to touch 1,000 miles, so we'll have to get back to that. We're also doing some upgrades to these 2 bikes, and we're putting the light kit on the EX-800. So stick around, check out Arctic Leopard. They are the best, most professional electric dirt bike motorcycle manufacturer out there. They're the only ones with a full line of dirt bikes that you could choose from, with options aplenty in between. All right, guys. Known unique, Johnson City Trailers, Stealth Motorcycles. Get out and ride. See y'all later.